Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Alrighty, 1 second. We're going to get started here in a few seconds. Let me just clean these glasses. Let me get this monster cracked open and caffeine in the system, and I'm ready to rock. How's everybody's weekend? Hope everybody had a good one. And I'm like 99% sure last week that I had the vid. That COVID. Because let me tell you, I felt awful. And then on Thursday and Friday, it like really hit me. Like terrible headache. My eyes were so heavy and dry, which is exactly what it felt like when I actually had it the first time. And then there we go. And then yesterday I started feeling better. Today I feel so much better. So like 99% sure I got it from when I was at the beach. But it sucked. It was terrible. Good morning. Yeah, if you're in Florida, stay safe. Definitely praying for you guys. I don't know, is it a hurricane or is it what is it? I don't really keep up with that stuff. Is it like a major hurricane or is it like a category 1, category 2? Might have been the new strain. I have no idea what it was. Like literally, I was sore. I couldn't get comfortable when I went to sleep. The same thing happened with my dad. Nobody else got it besides me and my dad, but me and him had the same exact thing. So definitely weird, but it is over with and I feel so much better. Anyways, let's hop right into this bad boy again. Hopefully everybody has had an amazing weekend. Gonna be a category 3 at landfall. Okay, yeah, so hoping everybody stays safe if you're in Florida. For sure, stay safe. But honestly, we could be getting ready to do a little liquidity sweep potentially above these highs. That's definitely possible. We're about a 1.5 away, or 1.25 away. So if you guys want to watch that for a liquidity sweep, anywhere from 44.29 all the way up to 44.32 for a nice little pre-market trade, feel free to watch that. And then main reject area is going to be up at that 44.63 or 0.75, since futures like to go in intervals of 0.25. But definitely could get a liquidity sweep up there. Yes, sir. 59K. We're getting super close to that 60K mark. I want that 100K so bad. So bad. Hopefully early next year I can hit it. But all right, if you guys could make sure to smash that like button, it would be greatly appreciated as always. But pretty much it looks like those are my rejects. Not really any supply up in this area. Unless you want to count that. That's a weird candle though. Nice 30-minute squeeze. Not necessarily seeing an area I'd be interested in a bounce until 43.50. So we got quite a ways to go to get down there. Nice 1 hour squeeze. So maybe that 1 hour 21 EMA if it got down there. But that's about all I see right now. Take that off. Also, I wasn't able to get the book pre-orders up this weekend. Apparently Amazon doesn't like to do pre-orders for books. But it's actually going to be up next Sunday. Like, you guys can buy the new book on Sunday. I actually have a couple of them being shipped to my house today. Like, they will be here today, so you guys will see them on my Instagram later today. So super excited about that. I actually get to see them in hand before they even release, which last time I wasn't able to. So, super excited to actually... Whoops, it's not even the right level. Super excited to actually see them in person. But again, mark your calendars for Sunday because they are going to be up. There we go. 44.39.50 is the area. But yes, mark the calendars. Thank you. Thank you. Top of the morning. Alrighty, so 44.29, we cracked that. I'm watching there. After that, I mean, really nothing until way up there. Alright, so that is it on ES. Let's see if we can find something on SPY. Again, if I'm going to watch a bounce, it's going to be down here at 433. We're quite a ways away. This was Friday's high, 441.3. If I'm going to watch a reject, 442.3. Then I don't really think there's any daily levels. Maybe that daily 21 EMA, which might come down a little bit, but I mean, other than that, 444 was a pretty big area. Like 443.78 all the way up to 444. I'm just going to go ahead and mark this. 444.3. There we go. $4.3. Boom. And then let's get this pinned in the comments. Bang. 225 likes for the watch list. All right. So yeah, those are my rejects. I mean, a bounce, maybe the 1 hour 21 EMA. Other than that, not really seeing too much. Very interested, though, to see if they're going to do a liquidity sweep. They're close. All right, let's see if QQQ's got anything going on over there. Good morning. All right, this looks a little better. 366.6, 368.5. Already touched that 1 hour 21 EMA. Not really seeing any bounces. Let's see. I mean, to reclaim that 50% retracement, which was Friday's low, mainly going to be interested down at 351.88. Yeah, I mean, if I'm going to be interested in anything, it's going to be these two reject levels. Looks like we're trading right at that high from the other day. And let's see, this needs to go a little lower. Boom. Got the liquidity sweep right there. Let's go ahead and mark that low. Got that low. And then this is the main bounce way down there, 14,520 to 22. Cool. That is it for ES, SPY, QQQ, and NQ. Let's start taking a look at some of the individuals, see what we're liking, what we're not liking. And again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We got 150 people in here and only 72 likes. If you guys want this watch list, make sure to run it up. So let's run through the weekly watch list first. I posted some of the setups on my, not on my Instagram, on my Twitter. So definitely make sure you guys are following me over there. Also, if you guys were in here on Friday, I gave you guys a 120% trade setup, right? We made 120% on this AMD trade. So if you guys remember, on Friday, I said I'm looking for AMD to break below 100.8 and reclaim it with strength to go long. That's exactly what happened, and we were able to catch this thing all the way up into this 103 level. 120% trade. Literally ridiculous. Traded this live in Team Bull. That was beautiful. Just block that scammer. But for AMD, what has me interested is it did bounce off of 100. So pretty big psychological level. Still holding above it. I mean, if we came back down, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We will see with this one. But that was a beautiful trade if you caught it with me. I mean, a reject up at 104.50 doesn't look bad. We'll see. We will see. All right, so AMD, maybe. We'll see. Visa, looking for a swing here. Going to keep this one on close watch. Really liking that daily setup. Anything close to that daily 21 EMA, I would like to try to swing. Google. Same thing here. Going to be watching it very closely for a potential swing. It did hold that daily 21 and 34 EMA with a squeeze. Just want to see a little more price action before I enter. Good morning. And then, I mean, that reject doesn't look bad. So possibly quick little scalp off that 61.8. We'll see. Fang watching this first swing as well. Probably the 150s or 155s. We'll see. Maybe do a debit spread. But anything near that daily 21 EMA. Would like to enter Amazon. Just watching for a bounce off this gap fill. If we can get down there. What are we trading at? 130, 134-ish. Same thing, could watch rejects. If you want to, up at that 135 would be the area. Boeing, keep an eye on this. This had a really strong rally. Plus, it's got a daily gap. Let's see. Here to here, we're trading at 224.35, so right above the level. Okay, so watching Boeing for the gap fill up into 227. Definitely interested in that. SQ, looking for it to come down towards support. This like 51.50, I think it was. Yeah, 51.34 all the way up to 51.50. Interested in trying to add maybe equity, maybe a long-term swing off of that. And then BRK/B. Same thing here. Nice daily squeeze. Would like to see it hold this daily 21 EMA more. So want to watch the price action. Broke this little falling wedge. Contracts aren't too expensive. So, I mean, ideally would like to see a push back up into these highs. So definitely a lot of swings that we could watch this week for sure. But out of the weekly watch list today, I like Google. I like Boeing. So let's take a look at the other names. See if we're liking anything. Let's see, pivot high, pivot low. If you want to watch Apple up at 180, feel free. Airbnb, I don't even trade this. Take that off the list. AI, haven't traded that. Take that off the list. AMD, we looked at that. All right, we're going to put a big question mark next to AMD. AMD, boom. Amazon, we looked at. Yeah, if you want to watch a reject, 135.16. Boeing's on the list. Baba. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. 205 people in here, 92 likes. Remember, if you guys want this watch list, you got to run it up. 225 likes. I know you guys can do it. 91.81. Yeah, no, nothing on Baba. Don't really care about that. Caterpillar, don't care about. Coins still holding that 61.8. Has not had a daily candle close below it. I might keep this on my radar for a swing, actually. Anywhere near that 72.40, I'd be interested in it. Costco, don't care about. Google, we already talked about. IWM. Not really interested. Kind of looks like a head and shoulders. Mara. Care about. Broke below support. Very nice daily candle on Meta. I mean, maybe a reject up at 292, but nothing right now. Good morning. Microsoft got smacked. Let's see it daily. $25.6 is that daily 21 EMA. Again, maybe if it got further up, I'd be interested, but nothing on Microsoft, nothing on Netflix. NVIDIA is looking very weak. Nice little head and shoulders. Let's see, how do we want to do this? Right there. I mean, it's at 460. Maybe this comes into play tomorrow. If it can break below that neckline, for sure. Would be interested in more downside. I don't know if it's going to happen today. I will keep an alert there, though. Definitely something to keep on our radar, but no NVIDIA today. PayPal. I still think PayPal could have more upside. But no, maybe it forms an inverse head and shoulders. I don't know, but not seeing a specific setup that I like right now. Skip over that. We looked at QQQ. Take a look at Roku. Don't care about. Shopify. Don't care about. Snow don't care about. SPX. Let's see. Care about that level. Nothing on SPX. We looked at SPY. We know SQ and then Tesla. Wasn't there just like Tesla news? Thought I saw on Twitter there was. I don't know. I could have swore I just saw it. But there also was China news. China reduces tax on stock trading by 50% to boost market. That's pretty crazy. Cool. I'll take a look at some other China names. Baidu. See if they got any boost out of that. I didn't see anything on Netflix. Nothing on Netflix. But, I mean, China names could run based off of that news. It's definitely potential, but there's only one way to tell. That'd be by watching the technicals. Alrighty. Take a look at Neo. Yes, the books definitely have pictures. Lots of pictures. Can't write a technical analysis book without any pictures. Come on. All right, what time is it? 8:27. Got 3 minutes. We can narrow the list. Let's see if it liquidity sweeps. Definitely has that potential. It could. If it rejects off this level and reclaims the opposite side, could be a liquidity sweep. All right. 2 minutes, and then we will finalize some levels. In the meantime, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We got 220 people in here, 127 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list, 225 likes is the goal. I know you guys can do it. All right. Also, next Monday, Labor Day. Labor Day. The book is going to be $49.99. 350 pages, $49.99. Again, it releases on Sunday. Mark the calendars. I'm super excited. This one's going to be a game changer. Especially if you have the first book, too. And you've been keeping up with the boot camp. It's like all you're really going to need when it comes to your trading. Both those books in the boot camp, and you're good to go. One minute. Actually, not even 1 minute. 30 seconds. Let's head on over to NQ. Again, there is potential for a liquidity sweep. On 10 seconds. Alrighty. 8:30. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see, we got the 15-minute candle close. I mean, if we saw a violent sell-off below this level, still potential. But here's going to be the rejects up there. Let's turn over back to ES. Just finalize these levels. 44.39.50. Hopefully we don't touch it in the pre-market. All right, we're not dealing with this guy today. 44.39.50. That's going to be the main area. Above that, we could push higher. 44.85. Bounce is going to be down at that 1 hour 21 EMA. Cool. ES levels are good. As long as it doesn't rally 7 points very quickly. Hopefully not. Going over to SPY. 442.3. And then up here. 3.7 points. So as long as we don't tap that level, we're good. Yeah, bounce down here. I just don't like this candle. Yeah, probably not really a squeeze. All right, so we'll see. And then we got NQ. Those levels are good. QQQ. Those levels are good. Especially that 368.50. Really interested in that. And then as far as the two individual stocks that we want to watch. Google for a possible reject. Boeing definitely. If we can get above 224.80 for the gap fill. Let's see with AMD. AMD, I kind of want to keep this as a side watch today. So, start getting this bad boy typed out. Let's get this typed out. Alrighty. Might end up hitting the level in the pre-market, which I really hope we don't. Hold on. Getting book map up. What's up? What's up? Alright, what was the level we're watching on ES? 44.39. Yes, we got some sellers up at that 44.40. Just hope they don't push it 6 points. Just hope they keep it chilling. That would be ideal. But, all right, SPY. I think it was 442.3 on SPY. Pretty sure that was the level. 442.3. To wait, 442.3. 4439.5 on ES for a reject. Then $443.8 to 444.3. Bounces to be announced. QQQ. Pretty sure we're going to hit the level in the pre-market, but the QQQ level still looks really good. 368.50. I mean, we could watch Friday's close for a potential bounce. It's just not like a super interesting area, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if price reacts off of it. But bounces to be announced. And then Boeing looking for the daily gap fill. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I'm getting futures pulled up. Get some futures pulled up just in case we hit and reject off that level. I am willing to take it. Let's see. They like updated the ThinkorSwim app. It's weird. All right. So if we get up towards that 44.40 and we start rejecting on ES, I'm willing to try it. All right, so Boeing, we're looking for the gap fill. To 4.82 with strength. Move to 227.1. All right. And then the other one was Google. $131.73. That's literally the only reject that I would be watching today. So if it doesn't reject it, I simply will not take it. Watching 31.73 for a reject. So watching for a long swing entry near the daily 21 EMA. All right. SPY, QQQ, Boeing, Google. Those are my favorites today. So, like I said with SPY and QQQ, I have rejects. If price does not reject the area, all we do is go right through it. Whoops. All I'm simply going to do is start looking for more upside. Or if I don't get a setup today, I simply won't take a trade. So we're just going to have to wait and see. It looks like QQQ and SPY are going to have a confluence area around, like these two areas should line up roughly on SPY and QQQ is what it's looking like. So if I'm going to be looking for a high probability reject, it's probably the second area I'm watching on SPY and then this 61.8 on QQQ. Again, just because they should be around the same area. But how many likes we have? We got 250 people in here, 188 likes. If you guys want this watch list, we need 40 more likes. And then I will be dropping it. Remember, you guys only get the watch list at 225. I know you guys can do it. But yeah, I mean, I'm interested if we get up here about 4 more points for a possible reject. Looks like we have buyers back down at that 44.30, 44.29 area. There's actually a decent amount of buyers down there. So we'll see if we come down and bounce. Or if it just breaks below and continues selling. Also, in the meantime, while we are waiting to hit the like goal, if you guys did not hear, my second book, The New Age of Day Trading, the Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide, will be released this Sunday on Amazon. So if you guys do not have the first book, I highly encourage you to get it. That way you are prepared for book number 2. You're going to need the first book to fully understand book number 2. You might be a little lost and confused if you don't have the first one. So definitely make sure you guys get it. Make sure you guys read it and get caught up and get prepared for book number 2. Again, this is going to be releasing this Sunday. I don't know what time. I think it literally just releases like at midnight or something like that. So make sure you guys check it out. Or yeah, make sure you guys get yourself a copy on Sunday, but also make sure you get the first book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, using this link right there. So super excited for you guys to read it. Super, super excited. 350 pages is the second book. First book was 450. So what is that? 800 pages of content. So that's pretty crazy. In 2 years, I wrote 800 pages. That is actually ridiculous. But yeah, I'll have it up as an ebook, but it's only going to be black and white. It's not going to be colored. Because let me tell you, the last book was such a headache trying to do colored and then black and white. Such a headache. So it's only going to be black and white for the ebook. Alrighty. Are we at 225? We're at 210. We're getting close. Super close. Anyways, any questions you guys got in the meantime while we're waiting to hit the like goal? Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't let you do pre-orders, which I thought they did, but I guess not. So, just Sunday, be on Amazon ready to get it. I hate how like these random content marketing agencies try to like reach out and say, oh, your video, like what? They'll compliment a video and then say, hey, I can start editing them for you. $50 a video. Nah, I'll pass. I will pass. Like I said, I'm gonna keep AMD on the side today. Not necessarily seeing anything super interested in it, but I also like how we bounced off 100. We have a nice 1 hour squeeze. So maybe there's an intraday setup. We'll see. I don't know. How do I manage to stay focused day after day? It's just wanting a better future. That's pretty much it. And then goals. Wanting to achieve goals. Your future depends on what you do in the present. So if you want a better future, you got to crush it in the present. Long-term vision. Any other questions? Are we at 225? We're at 230. Wow, you guys crushed it today. Look at that. All right, so as always, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I do go live every single morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 750 videos on this channel. Plus, I'm doing a boot camp. So if you guys haven't checked out any of the boot camp videos, I highly suggest you do. They are going to be going private within a week, right? So probably sometime next week, as soon as I'm done with all 31 days, I'll leave them up for a few more days. But then after that, they're going private. So make sure you guys get all caught up, take your notes. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun doing this boot camp. But let me tell you, recording a video every day and then editing it, it's a lot of work. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys check them out. Plus, I have a bunch of other videos that you guys can watch as well. But yeah, if you're also a channel member, I gave you a little supply and demand video down there. Anyways, alrighty. Let's do this. Let's do this. Alrighty. As always, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. There's SPY. Here's QQQ. Here's Boeing. And Google. That is everything I am watching for the day, ladies and gentlemen. Anybody got questions? Or is everybody good for the day? You guys ready to make some money? Put this in Team Boo. Alrighty. Thing I am watching today. As always, we need plus setups. Boom, boom, boom. Of course. Of course, of course. All right. Alrighty, alrighty. Well, I guess I will see you guys in 20 minutes in Team Bull. TBA is to be announced. I just don't have any good bounces right now. So, we'll see. But everybody have an amazing day. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. And I will talk to everybody bright and early, 8 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Everybody take it easy. Peace out.